I was talking to a potential user of the bundle yesterday, and I was kind of configuring instructions. It's like, it's still so much work to assemble all the pieces into one to just get to the outcome that you want. For products for builders, it's hard because you want to balance flexibility and being able to do a lot of different things without being so overwhelming that it then, takes a day to figure out how to put things together and like use the thing in your workflow. I'm thinking that the way that I treat this is I've talked a little bit about flows, but offering both flows and the maybe just like specific endpoints for like the little steps where a flow is the actual thing that you want to get. So for like the video audio live bundle, the biggest use case by far is people just want to host video meetings and they want to host it in their platform. I just added a flow. It's currently in a feature branch that takes all the logic and does just that. You give it maybe some simple inputs and then you get like a hosted page. And I know some AI native products think about this idea of like time to value and one shot outcomes and ways, especially if you start wrapping a lot of this stuff that you put in that maybe into like a lane graph workflow where you can not even smart defaults, which I was thinking more on like the use case perspective, like, like you might want to have a conference type of meeting. So it should be this configuration, but context aware defaults. Because if you have a lane graph workflow and it's easy to add in AI steps for that one shot, I want to have a meeting, generate a meeting page for me, or I want to drop in a meeting page, it could, get some context about the company and get some context about the user who's asking, and maybe it takes in some information about the use case, and from there generate a more specialized output instead of the generic, like every time you get this one type of link. So those are the things I'm thinking of like how do I give people the tools. It's like I know folks are using assembling parts of like the bundles in different ways to achieve certain outcomes. How do I give people the tools that just get to the outcome and they don't have to spend the time wiring things up